Hello everyone. So this one is little bit different. So compared to live trading demo, so that we'll try to give a call if possible. So primary agenda is live market review, Nifty and commodity. So basically we'll start with the commodity because now it is running, and then in the end we'll do these two things together, like the Nifty calls and what to buy for tomorrow. If at all, if anything is been available, we'll see it, then we'll try to pick it up. So then the whole purpose and the intention to do this is the financial awareness creation, where there is a lot of misconception with respect to the stock market, and our secondary aim along with the primary is to cross sell all these products. So, and if we do our primary job of this one, creating the financial awareness properly, I think we will be achieving the secondary aim of doing the business as well. We see this as much more important, and then you will try to appreciate it when you watch our live continuously. So our intentions you can be able to judge, and we will be also able to transfer the whatever informations and knowledge which we want to transfer and share. With this, right, we'll go to the commodity market review. So what is the commodity market saying and doing now is, yeah, so this one will be a little bit small, so please try to watch it in the bigger frame, or else I can capture this one, but it will take time. So I want to complete it. People are not watching even if the video is crossing 15 minutes, so I want to end it up in 10 minutes. So this is what the situation now with the commodity market. So you can see it's nothing much to explain. So numbers are here. So the crude is down. In fact, in the 1 o'clock we were speaking, like the crude was 3.5% up. So at that time, uh, so I don't want to use the word I, but we did try to advise you that 3.5% up, but please be very careful because yesterday it was 10 percentage down. So be very careful. So don't take this one very seriously. And then we were speaking about the candles there. So at that point of time, what I be trying to say is so exactly like this kind of a live knowledge transfer, and also a technical analysis knowledge transfer also will be done along with the price, along with the informations. So yesterday it was down. Okay, so yesterday it was 10% down. So here I was speaking around 1 p.m. In the afternoon. So yes, today it was around. So in the chart you will be seeing it is today above, or else in a candle something like this, 3.5% it was up. Okay, so we did tell that don't get carried away, don't jump in and then log in this one. So if at all you would have done, now it is 1% down, means you will be lost at 4.5%. Okay, so what are we trying to say is at least this is 5%, 50%, and then in relative or exact term it is 5%, so it has to cross, which we are telling. So somewhere around 3.5 it was there. So this candle, if you put it next to it, okay, so this is what we are saying. So don't get carried away, let it cut to 60, and then like a half an hour candle at least cross and close, it has to be having a waiting period. So we are saying like 60%, which is here 6%. Okay, so I think along with that, if you see and then this one, you will understand. But this is what in 1 or 2 minutes things can be transferred. Okay, so if you just write it up, I think you'll we have put some lines here. You can put a road here if you are able to build on this 1 minute information given to you. So this is what we were saying. So, and it's something like in the same trend it has happened, it has come down, if you could see here. Okay, so please be very careful when there is a kind of uh, trying to catch the bottom, or else things like that. So when the next day when it is positive, please do not jump in, because people start jumping, and positive trades, they will continue and then they will be doing something like ending in the positive. It doesn't happen like that in a straightforward way. So please be aware of the technical analysis. Okay, that's one part, and the other part is the metals here. As you could see here, you can see here there is slight discrepancy. What discrepancy between gold and silver? Gold has given a significant downturn, and this guy is holding here, but in terms of numbers, so 56823, somewhere around 300 points or 200 points above is the day average. So it is still trading below the day average, and then this one is trading significantly below the day average. So the trend wise, you can say gold and silver are going in similar trend, but the significant return for today for the shorters, it's been harvested by the gold traders. Okay, so there are a lot more I can say, but this is for today. So, and with this, we'll straight jump into agenda. So we finished the commodity market review. So the take-home message for today is, I think enough has been done in the commodity. So don't go and buy. And yesterday itself we told to review the today trade and then make an entry. So if at all somebody would have followed that, you would have been at least on the safer side. So similarly, there is a good uptick with respect to silver, but still do not enter now for a intra-week trading or a intra-day trading. So wait for tomorrow, 1 or 2 days, then let the trend you get. What I'm trying to say here is, for example, the silver, clearly a big downturn has happened here. So these are all maybe a false positive signal. So please be very careful, because if you see here, a significant cut here is given. The black line is 20 period moving average, the blue line is 15 period. So this guy cutting each other is very significant. Okay, so on a day pattern it has cut here, and the MACD has cut here, and then it is being below this pink line, which is the 5 period moving average. So please be very careful. So this move may be like gold may be giving a signal of where the silver is going to go. So today the completely it may be a false trap, or else or a trap set for the buyers. So please be very careful for tomorrow. So I told another 2-3 minutes I want to end here. Moment of time. So the news analysis, maybe news analysis nothing but reading out, but something we'll be doing it differently. So let me do it in 1 minute here, 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. So in the news analysis, how you do is like, basically this is business. We'll come to that. So just go through the general business in the day trade, or else if you're entering the commodity market at 7 p.m., please be very good. Just move through what's happening. Okay, so all these things not much similar connected to the stock market, or else to the commodity market. Yeah, of course you have to see the COVID, what's how the flow is going on. Okay, so this is how you make a quick scan here. This one is completely unrelated, but these things sometimes tell you the pulse, like the Ola driver. The story here is a simple quarrel has led to a person being killed in a small argument. So this is where the behavior problem, like I'm context through the trading I'm saying. So you should be able to handle the arguments here, and then take the conversation one step at a time. So see, a simple argument got one person killed here. So so this is, and again this is nothing to do with the stock market, but so what I'm trying to say is both the persons who are not able to control the emotions, how it is indirectly connected is those kind of persons should not be coming to the trading platform. Of course everybody can be an investor. Okay, so yeah, this point I did want to speak about. Can you see here? This is what news and noise and the specialist analysis is all about. So in the Google world, like so actually it's very easy to buy and sell, but it's very easy to give advice also. So everybody has become a professional trader, but only few people are making money, and similarly everybody are claiming to be big analysts. So you can see the wide range here. $55 a barrel to 380. I don't know like who has given all these numbers. We have to go into this, but this is possible, and this happens in the stock market with the stocks as well. So like kind of a five-fold difference in the thing, and the crude now is trading somewhere around $100 a barrel, somewhere around 97 or something like that. So in exact numbers, number 96. Okay, so this is what it is, and this is what we get from the so-called expert. So what does it mean is there's something called do your own research, which is very famously in context with the crypto. So crypto is we never supported it. You can check our stand for the last 6-7 years. So in the name of experts, one side they will be supporting it, and then in the name of do your own research, which is very important. But they will say nobody has got the authority or else the centralized system to govern them, and then that itself they used as a platform, and significantly lot many people have lost significant money in the bitcoins and the cryptocurrency. So please be careful. So I think like so do your own research means like, of course, do your own research and also consult others, and then along top of it average everything together, and then finally take a decision. So this is what the society at which we are staying, where we get all these kind of informations. So please be little bit financially awareness for yourself, so that you will be able to handle all the news and the noise, etc., etc. So with this straight away, we'll just deep dive into the what's the business domain the Google is saying. So this will give you signals for commodity trading for today and also tomorrow, and also the stock market. Now we are going to jump in. So already it is crossing 12 minutes. So let me go through quickly. It has come to the sports section. So nothing much is here. So straight away we can jump into the PQ website, so that we can catch if something is available. Okay, so today we will be looking into the large cap and the small cap, which is between 1000 to 5000 crores. Okay, so once I think we did micro cap 2 days ago, we did mid cap yesterday. We'll start with the small cap. So to begin with, so here's how it's a nice trending market. It has happened today, so I don't have to repeat and then waste your time. So, but tomorrow is the expiry, so please be very careful. And then if something is going to happen, it may happen with respect to the Nifty. So what can happen tomorrow is a small guess. End of the day, it's a boy child or the girl child. Okay. So what will happen tomorrow? So tomorrow probably it may be up. So it's excellent. European market closing is coming here, and nothing bad about the Nasdaq here. Nasdaq here. So already this signal is given. It's a positive. So at least till morning 10:30, I think it's going to be positive. And from 10:30, you have to listen to your own market. You don't have to see what the other markets are doing. At least on relative 10-20% basis. Okay. So this is how it can happen tomorrow. So position yourself tomorrow, and then of course tomorrow 8 o'clock you have to review it if you are a day trader. Okay. So now quickly in 1 minute we can review. 1 minute we can review about the small cap, and 1 minute we will spend it on the 20,000 greater large cap. Okay. So and what we can look into it. Yes. Okay, yeah, voltage and transformers. it's I think it has given a good signal. I think you can enter tomorrow if 1 to 3% if it is down, you can enter. It's an excellent company, around 1% dividend giving company. So why I'm saying that if at all you enter tomorrow and then you got trapped into it, I think you can be getting out with 3 to 5% in next 1 month. Even if the market is going to go volatile next 1 month. Okay, but this is a unique stock, very small company, but very excellent on the fundamentals. So if this is the company kind of companies, if you are going to trade, I think you are going to be on the safe hands. Your own hands, I'm saying. So this is what is the do your own research. So get some information, do your own research, and the research is if I don't tell about the dividend etc. You go and check it up. If you don't know, there is a small training about analysis, fundamental analysis. That's very easy. We can transfer that knowledge in like 4, 5, one day at a time. Trading is what is difficult. Like it requires 2, 3 days or else even months together. Okay. Training anyone in a fundamental analysis is very straightforward but the problem is people don't want to learn fundamental. Everybody wants to make quick money and then they going after the trading. That's another story. So from this, I'm picking up this one stock, and this one MPS is a Macmillan publication. It's a good company, again a zero debt company. This company has recently given a very big dividend, and even after dividend giving, it has come up around last 2 weeks. It has come up somewhere around 15%. So the upside is little bit capped, but anything can happen. But if you are able to capture somewhere around 725 tomorrow, you got 5% on your side. Okay, so that is one part. And if at all you are going to a three tier buying, you are going to do something like you are going to buy it at 750 tomorrow, and then in 1 month time, if it comes to 700, you are going to buy, and again at 650 you are going to buy. I think from 650 level you are going to make a 10%. Okay, so some at least 5 to 10%. So that's a way like you can play. This is a extremely low volume, so it's not easy to get in and get out. So that part I am trying to say. Please be very careful. And Tata Coffee also slowly is moving somewhere around 225. There is a resistance, and if you are able to get in with 2-3% on the lower side, around somewhere around 220, you can make an exit. But if at all if it is going to give a breakout on 225, so it's going to go all the way to 250, and then this one is dependent little bit on the market also. So these are all some of the excellent stocks. I'm not saying which is excellent because we are trying to tell you like out of all these companies are excellent. Okay, it's not that our calls are excellent. So we humbly would like to say it, and then you please review it. Okay, so this again I think we are crossing the time limit here, and I think we'll just give one and then we'll close. We'll not speak much about the fundamentals here. So if you remember ABB, we spoke consistently last 2-3 days. So in this, what to buy is all these things are given the breakout. Britannia has gone up, Bajaj Finance has gone up. So I don't know we can get in. Yeah. So Avani supermarket has also gone up, but it has also come down. So it's a kind of a tricky situation. So if you can get inside this one 5% below, I think you have got another 5% to make, but not from here, I guess. But so that's a bottleneck here. Unilever has come up significantly, but it's a strong stock. So you have to do this. We did speak about AI and its fundamentals. Hero also has come up. Excellent company, 3.5% dividend giving company. Yeah, Beta India is slowly. I'm seeing it fresh, which means like I'm seeing AA or else this other thing ABB consistent for the last 2-3 days. 2 3 2 3 days we are seeing it. Okay, so I think Beta India you can enter. I'm not seeing the charts here. So Beta India, if you can enter and you can expect a 3 to 5% in next 2 or 3 days. Okay, so it's a strong stock and it's also a debt-free company. So that is where like I'm getting the cushion here. So Suzuki has gone up. So that's why I'm not recommending Suzuki. So it's a new entrant. So if you are able to enter tomorrow with the same price or as 1% above also you can enter. And if you are able to get it 3-4% down, you're going to make 7 to 10%. If you're going to enter another 2-3% higher from this price, I think you can still make a 2 to 5%. So this is what it is from today, and I think we did cover the agenda: live Nifty, like commodity review, news analysis, what to buy tomorrow. That's it. So if you like it, please subscribe and also share. So we will be like definitely live at 10 o'clock and to some extent at 1 o'clock, but in our Twitter we will post things, so what to buy and sell, because coming live and then saying and then punching the numbers for you, that is where the time is taking up. So it's not that we are like we do not want to waste the mainly the traders time. So investor, it's very easy. So that's what it is. So please share if you like it, if the video is worthwhile. So thank you very much. See you tomorrow 1 o'clock, or